Well, welcome everyone. My name is Chef Randi. I'm the chef of Cloud Camp, Emerald Valley Ranch, and Fly Fishing Camp. I'm going to show you how to take the fillets off. So its spine is here, and what we want to do is just go down that, keeping our knives really flat. So what I'm doing is keeping my knife flat against that bone structure. That's pretty much the secret to butchery. The more comfortable you get sharpening your knives, the more of a, it sounds very woo-woo, but the more of like a connection you get with the knives, the more you understand it a bit as well. We use a mix of canola and olive oil. It's 75% canola and 25 olive oil. What that does is that ratio, the canola has a higher smoke point, so it's just enough of it to protect that olive oil, but still we get the nice like properties that olive oil gives us. What I'm going to do is, you can see that there are two sides. So there's one where the flesh is and one where the skin was. We want to go skin side in because as we are going to cook them, that skin will tighten up, so it'll help hold together our roulade if it's on the inside. So when you stuff anything, it's going to take a little bit longer for it to cook, which is nice when it's these very thin, delicate fish, and you get a little bit bigger area surface to work with as well. We're the only kitchen at the Broadmoor that has induction. We have some hot plates that we'll use across property, but kitchen-wise, Cloud Camp is the only one. So, a little bit of butter is how we usually cook all of the things. This is just a little bit, and a little bit later. Exactly, because if we put this in the pan first, it's the same thing with just using olive oil, it'll burn. And at this point, we take our nice large spoon, have our roulades, misbehaving, kind of move them up the pan a bit, and make a well and baste our roulades with the butter and all of that flavor that we have. We do use butter in the restaurants. It does make everything delicious. Julia Child was correct. I mean, I have yet to see butter make something be like, nah. This is how we finish products in all of the restaurants on property. If you're in a saute station, if you're picking up meats in the pan, if you have not cooked like this at home, I highly suggest you try, or at least do it once so you get that picture of you being like, I am a chef, with my very big spoon and picking up the proteins in my can.
How do you know when the fish is cooked?
The best way to tell, get a thermometer. Like invest in a thermoprobe, and it's your best friend in the kitchen, but thermometers are the best way. To the point where like all our kitchens now have thermometer set, so you can leave the guessing out.
Yeah.